We are live at the site, initiating the structural scan.
Everything aligns perfectly.
Let's begin the bridge projection.
Mark it exactly 2 meters down.
We need the suspension anchors right here. This is the perfect spot for the main span.
Hold it right there, that's perfect.
Copy that, locking it in. Easy, bring it down. Watch the edge, line it up. Perfect fit, lock it in. Easy, bring it down. Watch your side. All panels on Sector 4 are secured. Easy does it, lower it down. Steady, lining it up now. Perfect. 3, 2, 1, set. Man, what a view.
Hold steady, locking pins are aligning now. Connection secured, engage the thermal seals. The surface panels show 0 deflection.
All the steel mountings are secured to spec.
Let's check the tension on these handrails.
Everything looks solid and ready for opening. The tolerance on this seam is perfect.
Great. Let's check the next panel. Oh my God, it is so high down there.
Yeah, just don't look straight down.
This bridge spans over 300 meters above the canyon floor. It is a feat of modern engineering, blending glass and steel, a delicate path suspended in the clouds.
As night falls, the bridge comes alive. A path of light suspended in the dark.
Suspended high above the canyon floor, this engineering marvel's a walk in the clouds. Constructed from advanced transparent glass, it connects two massive mountain peaks.
Wow, look how high we are.
The view is absolutely incredible.
I can see the river. Let's take a picture.
A bridge not just of steel and glass, but of human vision, spanning the impossible.
Wow, it feels like we are walking on air.
It is perfectly safe, I promise.